Okay, so let's start the day fourth of the series of current affair. Today is 24th, but we are taking the series of 23rd of June 2024. So hope we are ready. We are excited for this special session at morning 6 a.m. Which session of current affair was morning 7 a.m. have those changed now. Current affair session morning time 6 a.m. have clear have morning time 6 a.m. special current affair session have clear. Special current affair session morning time 6 a.m. Okay, now today is a day 4th, isn't a matter of day 4th or day 5th matter. This is only we are taking the session for the 23rd of June. Okay, 23rd June we are taking here. Clear have, and maybe today we have planned to cover current affair in the week session as per like as 17 to 23rd of June we will take the special current affair and most important questions which is really important have for your examination basis. So let's start without waste time. Continue everyone, join first of all. Okay beta, clear have. Okay, so question number of starting with first. India secured, note down everyone with me, most important question we are taking. India secured with rank in environment performance. This question I have already given you, okay, and this is the revision basis question have of current affairs series. Environment performance beta, clear have performance. Here question asking, see not written here. Here question asking India secured with the rank in the environment performance, and option here giving 172, second option giving 174th, third option giving 175th, and fourth option giving 176th. Okay, already we have told who is a new member have in this series. Those only not understand, even all the previous members can easily understand. Here saying India secured with the rank of environment performance, that EP, getting my point or not? EP means beta environment performance, and the rank of India in the environment performance is beta 176th. Option number 4, 176th rank India got in the environment performance. Most important question coming, if India got the 176th rank, then which country came at first rank? First rank which country taken? So the name of country who taken first rank, Estonia. What name hai beta? Estonia. Clear have? Estonia. And the last rank taking by beta Vietnam. Which country last taken beta? Vietnam. Clear have? Top first rank taking by Estonia, last rank taking by Vietnam, and 176th rank taken by India. Clear have matter? Now question number second beta. Question number second saying who won the ICC Men's Player of the Month for May 2024, for May 2024. Clear hai beta? Who won the ICC Man Player of the Month for May 2024? Option in front of you beta here, Neeraj Chopra. Clear have? Neeraj Chopra. Second option saying beta here Virat Kohli. And beta third option saying Rinku Singh. And fourth option saying beta Gudakesh Moti. व्हाट नेम है बेटा? गुदाकेस, क्लियर है, गुदाकेस मोती, मोती नॉट है दिस मोती है, सॉरी मोती है, ओके. Question saying who won the ICC men's player of the month? Month was May 2024 and question asking for ICC related who became who won the men's of the month. Clear? Men's of the year, not beta, men's of the month. Okay, ICC men's player of the month May 2024 won by option have Neeraj Chopra, Virat Kohli, Rinku Singh and Gudakesh Moti. So the right option of this question is Gudakesh Moti. Okay, he won the ICC Men's Player of the Month May 2024. Clear have? Most important this question have. Now we are going to talk about that if here Men's Player of the Month have, so female players of the month also have. Yes. So note down those question. Clear? Third number question saying Chamari Athapattu Athapattu, clear have, Chamari Athapattu has been honored with with the ICC Women's Player Month of the Year, Player Month of the year, not है बेटा, month of May 2024 have. Okay, question what asking, she is from which country? Clear है? Okay, here question saying Chamari Athapattu has honored with the ICC Women's Player Month of May 2024. She is from which country? Option in front of you. Number first option saying Sri Lanka, option second saying Bangladesh, option second Bangladesh, option third UAE, option fourth is beta Namibia. Clear have? In this question already we have given the first one number, Chamari Athapattu has been honored with the ICC Women's Player of the Month May 2024. Okay, we have told you already men's player of the May. Okay beta, men's player of the month, clear है, of the month May 2024 है बेटा, who won have May 2024. So already before this question you given answer, yes, before this you given answer. So Gudakesh Moti है बेटा, who है बेटा? So Gudakesh Moti है बेटा, clear है, Gudakesh Moti have. And here side in this question beta, not any asking name, already name given, Chamari Athapattu has been honored with the ICC Women's Player Month of May 2024. She belong from which country? Country asking. Option in front of you, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, UAE, Namibia. So the right option of this question is beta Sri Lanka. Chamari Athapattu, who won the ICC Players Month of 2024, Women's Month of 2024. So she belong from Sri Lanka. Clear have? And man's talking about man's player of the month May 2024, then Gudakesh Moti. Clear have beta? Next question. Okay beta, next question saying, question number 4th, who has been appointed as the, who has been, here has been not maybe used, okay no problem, who has been appointed as, appointed as the new secretary, as the new secretary, why है बेटा, secretary journal of NATO, this question already taught है बेटा, journal of NATO, NATO full form बेटा नॉर्थ अटलांटिक बेटा, क्लियर है, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेटा, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेटा, क्लियर है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेटा, क्लियर है। ओके, क्वेश्चन सेइंग हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ नाटो नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फुल फॉर्म ऑफ नाटो है बेटा। ऑप्शन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, ऑलरेडी दिस क्वेश्चन टॉट है डेविड सलवागिनी, डेविड सलवागिनी है बेटा, सलवागिनी। ओके, सेकेंड ऑप्शन कपिल सिब्बल, कपिल सिब्बल, एंड बेटा थर्ड ऑप्शन सेइंग बेटा मार्क रूट बेटा, क्लियर है। सो न्यू सेक्रेटरी जनरल, द न्यू सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ नाटो नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, न्यू सेक्रेटरी है बेटा ऑप्शन डेविड साल्वगिनी and Kapil Sibbal, Mark Rutte. So the right option of this question beta third number, Mark Rutte is the new secretary general of NATO. Clear है बेटा। Most important something I will tell you about this question about NATO. Note down everyone, give the hashtag about NATO बेटा, note down about NATO बेटा, most important। The firstly full form of NATO बेटा, so national, clear है बेटा, नेशनल अटलांटिक बेटा, नेशनल अटलांटिक बेटा ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, क्लियर है बेटा, ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, क्लियर है। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ नाटो बेटा, सो अबाउट नाटो फुल फॉर्म नेशनल अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। हियर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा फाउंडेड बाई, क्लियर है बेटा, founded by beta, so here right answer will be founded by, not beta only founded, right, founded in 1949 beta, clear है, since 1949 NATO found है बेटा। next question headquarter where have, headquarter, clear है, headquarter बेटा, so the headquarter of NATO is Brussels, Belgium, clear है बेटा, Brussels इन बेल्जियम बेटा, ब्रुसेल्स इन बेल्जियम, क्लियर है बेटा, ब्रुसेल्स इन बेल्जियम बेटा। सेक्रेटरी जनरल आस्किंग बेटा, सेक्रेटरी जनरल फुल फॉर्म बेटा है एसजी, क्लियर है, सेक्रेटरी जनरल हु है बेटा मार्क रूट, यू आर लुकिंग हियर न्यू सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ नाटो मार्क रूट, सो राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस सेक्रेटरी जनरल इज बेटा मार्क रूट है, क्लियर है बेटा। एंड नेक्स्ट आस्किंग मेंबर कंट्रीज, हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज आर मेंबर इन नाटो बेटा, सो हियर नोट डाउन बेटा मेंबर कंट्रीज बेटा, ओके बेटा, मेंबर कंट्रीज, clear have, so total 32 countries are member have, 32 countries are member have, and 32 number became Sweden, 32 number Sweden have beta, who have Sweden beta, clear है matter, and 31st number beta Finland have, Finland, clear है, Finland। Question again, listen beta, saying about NATO tell. So NATO full form, firstly NATO you have, NATO full form National Atlantic Treaty Organization, clear है beta. Next question saying founded by, so founded in beta, sorry founded by not beta, only founded in since 1949, getting my point. Headquarter have Brussels in Belgium. And saying who is a secretary general of NATO, so secretary general of NATO Mark Rutte है beta. And total countries are members, so 32 countries are member, and 32 number became Sweden, and 31st number have here beta became Finland, clear have. Most important question, and question will be asked only this new secretary general of NATO. So new secretary general of NATO is beta Mark Rutte have, clear have. Move on the next question. Clear have this one? Okay beta. Question number 5th. Question number 5th. 1 second, wait beta. Okay, clear. Question number 5th, what saying? On which day beta? On which day? World Day. On which day? World Day to combat desertification beta. Oh sorry, deserty है beta. Okay, desertification beta, clear है beta. Desertification beta and drought, desertification beta and drought 2024 beta was observed beta, observed, clear है beta. Question saying on which day World Day to combat desertification and drought 2024 was observed beta, clear है. Option number first saying 10th June. Option number second beta saying 12th June. Option number third saying beta 17th June. Clear have. Option number fourth saying beta 21st June. Hope you understood have beta, clear. Okay. Here saying on which day World Day combat desertification and drought 2024 was observed. So option in front of you have, in these all one is right answer. 10th June, 12th June, 17th June, 21st June. So the World Day combat desertification drought 2024 was observed on beta third option 17th June. Clear है beta? When have 17th June. What is theme है beta? Sorry, what was the theme of this? Theme beta, note down theme beta. United for, oh I'm sorry, 1 second, wait beta. Yes, now united for land, our legacy beta, our legacy beta, clear have our future possible have here writing, yes, future, clear have. This was theme beta. Theme was united for land, our legacy, our future, clear have. So most important theme have beta for desertification, combat desertification and drought 2024. Understood beta? Okay, come on the next question. Number 6th question saying UNESCO has shortlisted beta, clear have how many most beautiful a museum, here museum not come here, right? Okay beta, how many most beautiful museums for the prestigious clear है बेटा, for the prestigious ओ यू एस है बेटा, प्रेस्टिजियस, GIOUS है बेटा, सॉरी, प्रेस्टिजियस प्रिक्स वर्सैल्स अवार्ड। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बेटा। ओके, क्वेश्चन सेइंग यूनेस्को हैज शॉर्टलिस्टेड हाउ मेनी मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल म्यूजियम्स फॉर द प्रेस्टिजियस प्रिक्स वर्सैल्स अवार्ड। सो कोई ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट बेटा 8, ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड बेटा 7, ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बेटा 10th, ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ 12। क्लियर है? So total how many most beautiful museum has been shortlisted by UNESCO beta? So the right option is beta 7th, option number second. Total 7 most beautiful museums have which is shortlisted by UNESCO. Clear have for the prestigious Prix Versailles award. Clear have? Okay, move on for the next question. Okay, question number 7th. Who among the following clear है बेटा? Who among the following was elected as the president बेटा? क्लियर है? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका बेटा, साउथ अफ्रीका, यस OU है बेटा, साउथ अफ्रीका। क्लियर है? साउथ अफ्रीका इन जून 2024, इन जून 2024। ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट बेटा साइरिल रामाफोसा है, साइरिल रामाफोसा। ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड बेटा जोकैब जुमा। ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बेटा थाबो मिल्की। ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ बेटा नन ऑफ दीज। क्लियर है बेटा? क्वेश्चन सेइंग हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज इलेक्टेड एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका इन जून 2024। क्वेश्चन आस्किंग न्यू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। क्लियर है? हु इलेक्टेड इन द जून 2024 मैटर। क्लियर है? ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट इज साइरिल रामाफोसा, ऑप्शन सेकंड इज जोकैब जुमा, ऑप्शन थर्ड इज थाबो मिल्की, नन ऑफ दीज फोर्थ ऑप्शन। ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट यू आर लुकिंग ऑन योर स्क्रीन, साइरिल रामाफोसा। साइरिल रामाफोसा इज द न्यू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका हु इलेक्टेड इन द जून 2024 मैटर। क्लियर है बेटा? ओके, साइरिल रामाफोसा। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8th बेटा, what is right only, what is Nagastra? First recently seen in news बेटा, news। what is Nagastra first recently seen in news beta? Option number first here saying earth observation satellite beta, satellite। clear have? option number second beta saying man portable। clear have? man portable suicide drones बेटा, मैन पोर्टेबल सुसाइड बेटा। क्लियर है? मैन पोर्टेबल सुसाइड ड्रोन्स बेटा, सुसाइड ड्रोन्स बेटा। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट इज न्यूक्लियर बैलिस्टिक न्यूक्लियर बैलिस्टिक सबमरीन बेटा, सबमरीन, मैटर क्लियर है बेटा, सबमरीन। क्वेश्चन व्हाट सेइंग बेटा, व्हाट इज नागास्त्र फर्स्ट रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज बेटा? ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट अर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन सैटेलाइट, ऑप्शन सेकंड मैन पोर्टेबल सुसाइड ड्रोन्स, ऑप्शन थर्ड न्यूक्लियर बैलिस्टिक सबमरीन। ऑप्शन थर्ड व्हाट सेइंग न्यूक्लियर बैलिस्टिक सबमरीन। So the right option of this question is option number second, man portable suicide drones. नागास्त्र first recently seen in the news beta, man portable suicide drones. Clear है? Note down fast everyone. Okay, we are moving for the next question. Okay beta, question next saying which state government has launched, which state government, understanding, which state government has launched the PM Shri tourism air service बेटा, सर्विस। क्लियर है बेटा? क्वेश्चन सेइंग विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च द PM श्री टूरिज्म एयर सर्विस बेटा। ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट उत्तर प्रदेश, यूपी राइट, उत्तर प्रदेश। ऑप्शन सेकंड मध्य प्रदेश, ऑप्शन थर्ड बेटा गुजरात, ऑप्शन फोर्थ बेटा राजस्थान। क्लियर है बेटा? राजस्थान। Here question saying which state government has launched PM Shri tourism air service, most important PM Shri tourism air services. Options are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. So the right option of this question is option number second, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh state government launched PM Shri tourism air service. Clear have? Next question. On which day, sorry, Uttar Pradesh government, right? Firstly, Uttar Pradesh government clear है बेटा? उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट will transform रानीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व, रानीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व। क्लियर है बेटा? रानीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व, ओके, इनटू अ प्रीमायर इको टूरिज्म destination understanding beta? Destination, it is located in which city of UP? It is located in, matter clear have, located in which city of यूपी बेटा। क्लियर है? ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट बेटा लखनऊ, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट लखनऊ, ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड बेटा कानपुर, ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड बेटा कानपुर, ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बेटा चित्रकूट, ऑप्शन थर्ड बेटा चित्रकूट, क्लियर है। ऑप्शन फोर्थ नंबर बेटा इलाहाबाद, प्रयागराज इलाहाबाद। ओके, क्वेश्चन सेइंग उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट विल ट्रांसफॉर्म रानीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व, यस यूपी गवर्नमेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग रानीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व इनटू अ प्रीमियर इको टूरिज्म डेस्टिनेशन। इट इज लोकेटेड इन विच सिटी ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश? ऑप्शंस आर लखनऊ, कानपुर, चित्रकूट, प्रयागराज। So the right option of this question is third number Chitrakoot. Clear have Chitrakoot. It is going to be located in Chitrakoot New Tiger Reserve, which is eco-friendly and eco-tourism destination basis level going to make. Clear have this topic? Okay. Move on for the next question. And we are taking most important current affair series and with the most important questions. Okay beta, next question saying question number 11 have beta this, yes or no? Tell 11 have or 12 have? I think 11 have. Okay, on which day, yes 11 have, on which day autistic pride clear है बेटा, ऑटिस्टिक प्राइज डे 2024 बेटा, डे 2024 was observed बेटा, was observed बेटा। ऑप्शंस आर 18th June, 21st June, ऑप्शन थर्ड इज बेटा 24th June, ऑप्शन फोर्थ इज बेटा 28th June। क्लियर हैव? क्वेश्चन सेइंग ऑन विच डे ऑटिस्टिक प्राइड डे 2024 ऑब्जर्व्ड? ऑप्शंस आर 18 June, 21st June, 24th June, 28th June. So the right option of this question is number first is 18th June. 18th June celebrated observed as autistic day, autistic pride day 2024. Clear have? Now question number 12th, most important question of the day. India will be the country of launch its own deep sea mission beta। clear have? of its own deep sea mission। clear है बेटा? deep sea mission बेटा। options are here, number first बेटा 6th, number second बेटा 7th, number third बेटा 4th and number 4th बेटा 5th। clear have? saying India will be the country of launch its own deep sea mission। clear have? deep sea mission means very much deep inside the sea going. This is mission has been going to launch by India. India going to become which country to launching this mission? So India going to become launching this is at the 6th, yes or no? At the 6th place. So India will be the 6th country of launch of its own deep sea mission। clear है बेटा? understand? Last question of the day, who inaugurated even write who inaugurates, inaugurated better have, yes because already done have, who inaugurated newly constructed beta, constructed, clear have? newly constructed प्रेरणा स्थल बेटा, newly constructed प्रेरणा स्थल बेटा। clear have? who inaugurated newly constructed प्रेरणा स्थल in Parliament House। okay बेटा, in parliament house beta, clear have in parliament house beta, house complex, clear है बेटा, house complex. Option number first what saying beta, Narendra Modi, our prime minister honorable Narendra Modi, here write PM Modi. Second option will be beta Jagdeep Dhankad, clear है बेटा, Jagdeep Dhankad, clear have. And option third beta Mamata Banerjee, option third beta Mamata Banerjee beta, clear have, clear have. Question saying who inaugurated newly constructed Prerna Asthal in Parliament House complex beta. One new construction done have, one new Prerna Asthal constructed have in the Parliament complex beta. So who did the inauguration? Option number first Honorable Prime Minister Modi, second option Jagdeep Dhankad, third option Mamata Banerjee. So the right option of this question is beta second Jagdeep Dhankad. Remember beta, this inauguration not done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, don't do mistake beta. Here side inauguration done by, inaugurated by Jagdeep Dhankad. Right answer will be Jagdeep Dhankad, option number second. He did the inauguration of newly constructed Prerna Asthal beta, which is constructed in the Parliament complex. Clear have. So thank you so much. Thank you so much to believe us on MAB classes. We are going to giving best level approaches, best smart level of all the detailed classes. Hope we are trying our best. So make the comment if you are feeling good us. And thank you so much to join the day 4th series of 23rd of June current affair. And I am your Satyam Misra. We will meet with our newly best prepared question PYQ basis. Another one session at 8, I think 8 or 9 or 10. I don't have any ideas, but already you have information on your YouTube field. You can visit out that next session which time will be. So thank you so much. Jai Hind. Best of luck.